Denials, when a claim is processed but not paid, rose to 11% of all claims last year, up nearly 8% from 2021. That 11% rate translates into 110,000 unpaid claims for an average-size health system. Robotic Process Automation, provided by Power Automate Desktop, can automate the denial management process to save some of this cost impact. Healthcare providers can use a software robot to review a high volume of small balance claims to automatically review denial reasons, compare information, apply rules, and route it to appropriate queues for actions. The bots can also update the claims information and resubmit to payers for claims processing. Let's see this in action. The bot begins by logging into the hospital EMR system, navigates to the claims information module, and extracts small balance claims for review. The bot then starts analyzing the claims by reviewing the denial reasons. The first claim has a denial code of CO22. The bot verifies the insurance information by navigating to the Insurance Info screen and Claims screen to ensure the information is correct, and marks the claim for admin review. The bot now goes to the second item and finds that the denial code is CO29. It compares the days since field with the threshold in the Insurance Info tab and confirms that it doesn't meet the criteria and marks this for write-off. Common claim denials include denials due to coordination of benefits, duplicate claim, filing time threshold not met, missing or invalid authorization number, or invalid diagnosis code. The bot continues to follow a similar approach of review, validate, apply rules, and route to the appropriate queue. What you're seeing now is how the bot is marking each of the claims for appropriate processing based on this approach, just like a human would perform these steps. After all the claims denials are reviewed and processed, it clicks Submit. What you saw was how it looked at the front end. Now let's see how the bot makes its decisions by taking a peek at the back-end configuration of Power Automate Desktop. The RPA configuration screen shows that the bot opens the EMR application, reads the denial code, and for each of the denial codes, the bot follows a subflow to apply the rules to process the case and put it in the appropriate queue. Now let's run this for a few seconds side by side to show what happens in the back end to trigger the bot behavior on the screen. The bot has processed this in a matter of minutes, and this process can be performed unattended 24/7. The job is complete.